Colin Bracken here, and today we're bringing you another towing tip and trick video. So today we have a product that is by WaySafe, and you guys know, if you know me, that we love working with the WaySafe team. So I run WaySafe on my truck. In the back, I've got a 6-inch drop, and then in the bed, I have a gooseneck ball with the scale on it. So I'll show you guys that real quick if you're not familiar with it. And of course, I have so much stuff in here. Right there, you can see the bottom. There's a scale that looks just like this. So this is my hitch back here, and as you can tell, we put these things to use. So today I'm showing you guys a new product. It's the clamshell ball, and it's a 2-inch to 2 5/16 adapter. So perfect for today because we have a buddy that's borrowing a trailer and he only has a 2-inch ball and it's 2 5/16. Now, this doesn't change the rating of the actual hitch itself and ball. So you wanna make sure that this right here, 5,000 pounds. So the trailer and load that he's taking today is less than 4,000 pounds, so we're still gonna be good, but the trailer he's using is 2 5/16. So it's a 2,300 pound trailer, and he's picking up a small little lift. So we are going to snap this on. Oh, I guess I should show it on camera. So now you guys actually get to see how well it stays on there. So I'll pop this off real quick. It's kind of hard to do with one hand and no fingernail. So you just take it like this. It's got magnets inside. You set it on and you snap it down. So that now converts that ball to a 2-inch to a 2 5/16 inch, and he can hook up to that trailer. So traveling with it on, you can travel with it on. It's actually pretty sturdy on there, the magnets in there. However, I would take it off for traveling purposes and just throw it on. Like, it's super easy. You pop it open just like that and you're good to go. Limited time right now using code Colin Bracken. I'll put it right here on the screen. You guys can save yourself 15% off the entire WaySafe website and get yourself one of these or one of our other awesome products. We'll catch you guys on the next one.